Dear students, today's class we are going to talk about the market basket analysis. What is a market data? See, in the market data, we'll be seeing in the departmental stores the variety of data we'll be seeing. There, you are selecting the data. Okay, what you want, you are selecting. When you select the data, you'll be specifically uh, having certain combination. For example, if you take bread, you will be taking the jam you will be taking. If you take pen, you will be taking the pencil also. Okay, so that is what market basket analysis, right? Okay, so often every time when you go to the departmental store, you are collecting the information or collecting the items you are collecting, so that items are called as a transaction data. So for example, if you are selecting pen, so that is a transaction data, how many quantities you are selecting. If you are selecting pencil, that is a transaction data, how many quantities you are selecting it. Okay, so you will be having the list of items. Okay, and you will be having the purchase patterns will be there, right? Okay, so what items to be purchased together. Okay, so for example, bread and jam together you can purchase. Then you can take it like pen, pencil, eraser, you can buy it together. Okay, so what items are purchased sequentially? House furniture, often we are buying sequentially, and the car tires, you're buying sequentially. And what items to be purchased by season? For example, Christmas season, you will be buying the cake. Deepavali season, you will be buying the sweets. Like this, some common, seasonal items will be there. Okay. So you're in the market basket analysis, you are going to categorize the purchase behavior. Okay. So you're just having the actionable information like purchase profiles. Okay. So profitability of the each purchase profile. Okay. You can have catalog. Okay. You can select the products, and you can have space allocation and the product placement. This is for the marketing. Okay, so whenever we go any stores, they'll be giving you the catalog. Similar way, they'll be giving you offer, like if you purchase greater than 5,000 rupees, I'll be giving this one. If you purchase greater than 10,000 rupees, I'll be giving you 10 kg of sugar, I'll be giving you. Like this, they'll be giving. Okay. So this and all, it is used for the marketing. Okay. So in market basket benefits, what are all the benefits are there? Okay. So it is an merchandising strategy, and it is for used for the selection of promotion. Okay. And uncover the consumer spending patterns. Okay. So what are all the correlations between the items are there that we are saying, and the joint promotional opportunities. Okay. Sometimes the offer will be given. This if you take one, I'll be giving extra. Or when you take when you take the washing powder, you'll be getting the comfort is also free. Okay. So like this, they will giving the joint promotional opportunities, they are giving it. Okay. So this is applicable in everywhere: retail outlets, telecommunication, banks, insurance, and the medical. Everywhere, the market basket analysis are there. Okay. Even nowadays, if you go for a loan, Okay. So the bank says to have some LIC policies. Okay, that is, it's like, it's they are joining the life insurance and this and the loan they are making a join. Okay. So we are having the association between the product. As I have already told you, there is a correlation. There is a relation between the bread and the jam. Okay. So how much percentage there is an association, right? Okay. So pause if suppose there are many transactions are there. Customer one buy beer, potato chips, aspirin they can buy. Customer to diapers, baby lotion, grapefruit juice, baby food, milk they can buy. Customer three can buy the other things. Like this, there are variety of customer have a different list, right? Okay. So this is out of the list we make a table. Okay. So how many is the quantity? Okay. So we are listing that quantity. Okay. When you see this one, beer and potato chips makes sense. Okay. They are really, they are taking, much data is there. Okay. But milk and soda only, less number of data is there. Okay. So in that case, you may say that is probably it is a noise. Okay, when the occurrence is high, you can take that one as a pattern. When the occurrence is very low, you can skip that one. Okay. Maybe you can consider that one as a noise. So this is a purchase profile. Okay. So for the beauty conscious, for the playing the kids, okay, gardener. So every profile they will be buying the set of item. So like this, you can have a purchase profiles. Okay, this is some of the purchase profiles. Okay, cotton balls, hair dyes. Okay, so this and all some purchase profiles. Okay, so you even you can have an offer like all these items together you can give an offer. Okay. So it's every patterns all related with the baby toys. Okay, some of the things together you can just give. So men's fashion only this much rupees, like this you can announce the profiles. Okay. So students kit, so only this much rupees, like this you can give a profiles you can give. Okay. So in this one, affinity positioning, coffee makers in close proximity, that and all affinity positioning. So cross selling is so cold medicines and orange juice entirely different. Okay. So that is a cross selling. Okay. So this is a two things, affinity positioning and the cross selling. Okay. So what are all the limitation of market basket analysis? Okay. So immediately you cannot able to implement. You should have a study on 18 months. Okay. Almost, 1.5 years. Okay. You should use a variety of concepts like, neural network, regression, and the decision tree. So these are all the concepts. When you use it only, you can study the market baskets. Okay. So it is a simple computation and you are going to give a pattern. Okay. So, so the different data can be analyzed here, right? So if suppose, we have, 20 transaction, customer ID 1, what and all they are buying. Whatever they are buying, we are giving one, other we didn't give. Okay. So that, the people, those who are, the second customer, they are buying cheese, dates, eggs, they are buying. The third customer, beer, cheese, and the fish they are buying. So like this we are giving. Okay. So here there are two concepts which are very useful in the market basket analysis. One is the confidence. If I buy bread, okay, so then how much is true? Really, I am, buying the jam. How much it is, true? That is a confidence. Okay. So our support is how much of the database contains the if part. If suppose 20 transaction in this one, how many breads are there? Okay. So how many breads are there? That is a support count. Okay. So interesting. Okay. So something that is interesting happens significantly would expect a change. Okay. Sometimes, if a particular item is very famous, everywhere people will use that one, or every shop will have that one. That is what, interesting and useful rules. Okay. So kids like the chocolate flavor jam. So I can just say for this bread, this is suitable. So everyone will buy everywhere. Okay. So out of the number of items, how many surprising rules we are finding it? Okay. Sometimes, the small things we will neglect it. Okay. But that small things may be a matter. So how many surprise rules, how many surprise patterns we are taking it? That is more important. Okay. So this is what about the market basket analysis. Thank you.